Could this beat be the next big thing for Ntate Stunna? Well, you tell me. So I started off with this FL keys. You know, man, if you've been on this channel, you know I start all my beats with FL keys. And this one sounds like this. So it is actually an A minor, so I just took this note and put it up there. After this piano, I did this string inside expand. After that string inside expand, I did this one sound inside Nexus. It's also a string, but it's kind of a step string, sort of. I added this organ. Then I also added this choir. Then after that, I did this Diablo bass. After I just added these sounds, the voxes. By the way, you can find these voxes inside Africa Drum Kit. Link is going to be in the description. Then after that, I added this choir. This choir is inside TP Essentials. The link is also in the description. Then after that, I added these snaps. Then I added this other snap just to create more bounce. Then after that, I added a basic hi-hat pattern. I layered that hi-hat with this other one over here. Now after that, what I did was I added some other snares just to create more bounce. Cool. Then we went straight to the kick after that, basic kick. After the kick, went straight to the 808. Basic 808 also. After the 808, I wanted to do something that I don't normally do on trap beats. So I added on these grime sounds from drill beat actually. So together they sound like this. Yeah, then after that I added the open head, just for the bounce. Remember that every sound that I used here It's from the 2 drum kits on the screen right now. TP Essentials and Africa drum kit. Link is in the description below. Links actually to individual drum kits. So let me play you the beat so you can hear how it sounds. By the way, also these sound effects as well, they're also in the TP Essentials drum kit.
Trinity, you wanna die?